Ananya Nair. My English teacher have given me an opportunity to present a book review. Do you like chocolates? Yes, everyone likes chocolates. Now, I'm taking a book related to your favorite chocolate. The name of the book is Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Now, let's take a glimpse about the author. The story was written by a British author named Roald Dahl. He was born in 1916, September 13, at Wales to a Norwegian immigrant parents. He has written many books including Charlie and the Great Glass Elevator, Matilda, George's Marvelous Medicine, etc. Let's go through the story. In a village, there was an 11-year-old boy named Charlie, but he was from a poor family. He was staying with his parents and grandparents. His grandfather Joe was very friendly with him. Whenever he gets time, he'll tell stories to Charlie. Charlie was very interested to listen to grandfather's stories. They were very inspiring. His father was working at the local toothpaste factory, which closed and the family's condition became worse. One day, Charlie's grandpa Joe told the real story of a closed chocolate factory. Surprisingly, on next day, there was a news on a newspaper. The closed factory is going to open. The owner of the factory was Wonka. Wonka announced in the newspaper that he will allow 5 children who gets the golden tickets, which is enclosed in a Wonka chocolate bar packets. Children were excited and ran to the stores and grabbed the packets. But only 4 children got the golden tickets. Now Charlie's day has come. He got some coins. He ran to the store next to him. Luckily, he got the 5th golden ticket. The owner Wonka took the children along with the parents. He conducted a competition. The other 4 children were eliminated, but Charlie was only left. Charlie jumped with joy. Mr. Wonka congratulated him. He took Charlie and his parents to stay with him in the factory. Few years later, Mr. Wonka declared Charlie as his next successor. Charlie lived happily there. Hope you all have understood something and enjoyed my book review. Thank you.